Hello dear viewers, how are you doing today? I hope you are fine. Today's course is going to be about personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. And it is for the very beginners. But before to start, please, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And it is free from any charges. And please do not forget to like the video and to share it with the whole people that you know. Thank you so much, and let's start. Personal pronouns. Singular. Singular. I. You. You. He. He. She. She. It. Now let's start with the plural. Plural. We. You. They. So thank you for watching. This is about the personal pronouns and something to say about it for singular. It is used for all of the things and the animals and anything which is not speaking, which doesn't has any mind to think like people. It's not people. It's not about people. We don't say it for a person, and we don't say she for an animal or the things. We say it for birds, for a table. For example, we say it is a table. We don't say she is a table. This is for it. And that was all about the course of personal pronouns. See you into another course. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and it's free. And do not forget to like the video and share it with the whole people you like and you know, so as they can benefit from this course. Thank you, and see you in a very good lesson like this in another time. See you.